Hello! Do you remember the last question we tried in the last lesson? 14 plus 76. Yes. Today I'm going to teach you how to add two-digit numbers with carrying. First, we label tens and unit. I hope you have your counting notebook with you. So we draw a line, a label tens and unit. We count the first number in the unit place 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we move to the second number in the unit place because we have 4 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus means count together, so we count together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 units. 10 has two digits, 1 and 0. We can only write one digit under each place at a time. So we expand this. 10 has one group of 10, that's 110, and 0 units. We'll write 0, which is unit, in the right place, that's 0, and carry the 110 to the tens place. 1. So we keep 1 here and draw 110. Now we count the next number, which is 1. 110. Count the second number 7. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We count together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tenths. So we write 9. You see, in that last lesson, when we did it wrongly, we got 80. But the right answer is 9. But the right answer is 90. 9, 10, and 0 unit. If you want to be good at maths, you have to learn to practice enough examples because that's how you can learn faster. So let's do the second one. 57 plus 26, tens and unit. I will teach you a faster way to count, especially when you are counting large numbers. So we label tens, unit. In the unit place, we are adding 7 plus 6, 7 and 6. But so that we can be fast, you look at the numbers that you have to add and look at the biggest number. Which is bigger, 7 or 6? 7. 7 is more than 6. So we will not count it so that it saves us time. But we count the second number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How do we then count together? We already know that this is 7. So we start counting from 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 units. 13 is 1 tenth and 3 units. We'll write 3 and carry 10 to the tens place. 110. Okay. In the tens place, we have two numbers, 5 plus 2. 5 and 2. Let's not count the bigger number, which is 5. So we count 2. 1, 2. Time to count together. Don't forget, you start from 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tenths. So we have 1 plus 5 plus 2 equals to 8. This way, it helps you to be faster, but you have to be careful. If you cannot be that careful, count all your numbers one after the other. It's better to be slow and right than fast and wrong. Yay! Look what we've got here. 3 numbers to add. Same method. Even if you have to add 10 numbers, same method, just count carefully. Tens and units. This time around, we have 3 numbers to in each place. In the units place, we have 2, 4, and 5. Let's not count the biggest number, which is 5. We'll count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count 2. 1, 2. Time to count together. We start counting from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 units. 11 is 1/10, 1 unit. We'll keep our 1 unit in the units place and carry the tens to the right place, which is the tens place. 1/10. Keep 1. Now it's time to count the numbers together in the tens place. We are counting 1 and 2 and 5. So let's not count the biggest number, which is 5. We count 1, 2, 1, 2. Counting together, we start from 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tenths. We have 9 tenths and 1 unit. Now I want you to try this on your own. What do you do first? You label tenths and units. And let's see if you get it right. Did you get 4 units and 9 tenths? Yay! You are right. Make sure you practice all your quiz, but if you didn't get that right, try again. Always try.